Alright, in this video we make it just yes. Alright, we can see some BR for little bit space and PR little bit space. Alright, and now we make it a screen folder. Inside the screen folder we make it home.js and also home.css. Alright, before we starting this one, what we can be do? Okay, for example, this is our product. Okay, and change this name is dependent on you. Alright, I just copy it. I just in this video save the projects. Alright, short. Okay, RFCE. Alright, first of all, make it div already. Make it class. Make and name it home. Inside the home, make a class name which name is pro. Here we return products. Alright, and now we make a main, which class name make it main, and make it div class name make it content, and inside the context we make it ul, which class name is products. Alright, now one import dot slash home.cs and comes to this area, and here home, insert the home. Alright, now you can see the product name home. Alright, now we work on home. Yes, make it li, inside the make it div, which class name is product, just product. Okay, remember it. Inside the product, which image is insert earlier than we entered. Okay, like this image class name make it product image, and src, this is the locator. The image is /t1 dot jpg, and alt make it product, and make it this one. First of all, this one, and what's time? Sorry, negative class name, put it product name. Inside the product name, make a href. This is a locate. When we click it, we go to the next page. Product.html. Alright, slim shirt. Okay, and now make it sorry negative last name, make it product brand Nike, and now copy it, paste it 3 times. Product price, make it $60. $60. Alright, make it, this name is rating 4.5 stars, 10 review. Alright, now you can see the results. This one is our result. Alright, now completed this one. First one, HTML, make it font size 60.5%, and box sizing, make it border box size. Alright, slider is little bit space, and second one home, height, make it auto, and background color hashtag DDA. It's time to make a pro font size 20 pixel, and font weight, make it 6. Alright, make it padding just 1. Now you can see the result. This one is our result. Now we're making this one, and it's time to remove this underline. Alright, it is easy. Let's see, make it a, it is a link, and text decoration, make it none. Alright, now you can see this underline is removed by React.js developer. Alright, I am say already, my name is Sabil, and subscribe my channel and press for the new bell icon for new notification, because my English is so cautious, mean weak, so weak. I have this skill. Alright, number first, make it product display flex, align item, make it center, and make it flex. Wow. When I am make it mobile screen, then the product is okay. It's time to product list type, make it none, remove the here dot, this is removed by this course. Okay, and padding make it 0 and flex, right, 0 1 and 25 pixel, 11 and margin 1 rem and height make it 40 rem and width make it 15%, heavy content and border bottom make it 0.1 rem, hashtag C0C0 solid and background color make it white and border 2 pixel RGB this 36. Alright, now it's time to come to the product. Okay, this is a product. Alright, display make it flex and flex direction make it column and justify content space between and height make it 95% and padding it 1 rem. See the result. Okay, now you can see the result. It's time. Yeah, it's time to make product name, make it photo, product name, yes, font size make it 2 rem and font weight make it bold, yeah, like this one, and product brand font size make it 1.3 rem and font weight make it bold, Nike, and it's time to make it price, product brand make it price, 1.8 rem and font weight make it bold. Alright, it's time to product rating, font size make it 1.4 rem. Alright, it's time to copy product this one. Alright, and paste it, paste it. Yeah, now you can see the products when I control this one, and this one is here. Okay, guys, now here in this image you can change the image right there. Okay, make a laptop and make a product Lenovo. This is a dollar and review. You can change it because I give a lot of time. So end of the time I just messaging for you. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for new notification. My English is so weak, you know him, and